So far, nearly 142 million people across the country have had at least one COVID-19 shot. 97 million are fully vaccinated. That is encouraging to see as we begin to return to some of our normal activities. Last week, health officials lifted a short pause on the distribution of Johnson & Johnson's vaccine, saying they are confident the vaccine is safe and effective. The halt came after 6 women developed blood clotting out of more than 7 million people who had received the shot. Please remember that getting vaccinated is overwhelmingly safe, despite some of the myths you hear. I've asked our resident expert, Dr. Kelly Tice Wells, to join me and to help dispel some of those myths. Kelly?
Thanks, Pat. Let's talk about 3 of those myths. The first common myth is that COVID-19 vaccines aren't safe because they were developed so quickly. That isn't true. Dedicated teams of researchers started working on the vaccines very early in the pandemic. The vaccines had to meet rigorous standards before they were made available to the public, and there is continuous monitoring of the vaccines. The next myth is that you don't need to wear a mask or maintain social distancing after being vaccinated. Dropping these precautions is not recommended. We don't know enough about the ability to spread the virus, especially variant strains, after someone's been vaccinated. The third myth is that people with chronic medical conditions can't receive the vaccine. No medical conditions prevent you from being vaccinated. People with a variety of health issues were in the vaccine trials. Talk with your doctor if you're concerned.
Thanks, Kelly. My wife Inger and I have gotten our vaccinations. If you haven't, I encourage you to get yours so that together we can put an end to the pandemic. COVID-19 is an ongoing and real threat. The harrowing scenes coming out of India show how this virus can spiral out of control practically overnight, sending a country and its healthcare system to the brink. Our hearts and prayers are with our colleagues, with family and friends in India, and the entire people of India as they navigate this very difficult time. Again, if you haven't already, please consider getting vaccinated and encouraging those in your life to do so as well.